Now, if you're just starting Go High Level, I'm sure you're asking the question, what businesses should I go after? Who should I target? What clientele should I serve? Should I niche down super hard and just serve one industry, or should I keep it broad? Well, in my agency, we just serve home service-based clients for the most part. So any electricians, plumbers, HVAC, landscapers, we primarily work with those types of businesses, but we've been able to find success in different industries such as auto body shops, chiropractors, and even therapy centers. So as long as they can benefit from a good-looking website and it actually converts and they can benefit from the software, you can definitely help these businesses out. And to be honest, you're leaving money on the table, in my opinion, if you don't broaden, your niches that you work with. So I definitely want to go over how I've been able to get these auto body shop clients. And the reason why I like auto body shop clients is because they're busy no matter what the season is, because people are always getting into accidents no matter the season. Whereas you think of like a landscaper, they might slow down during the winter time, but not with auto body shops. So this is definitely, I think, a niche that people aren't really paying attention to, but they should, especially because a lot of the times they might build the websites themselves, or they might have a family friend do it, and it doesn't look great, versus where you can come in and hopefully get them ranking better with a better looking website and proper SEO, and then also give them the Google review automation, the invoicing, the sales pipeline, all that good stuff. And these auto body shops can definitely benefit from it. For those of you who do not know me, my name is James. I'm 22 years old, and in just around 2 years, I've been able to scale my marketing agency to around 100 monthly paying clients. And what we primarily sell here at my agency is website plus SaaS. So that's a smart website that actually goes ahead and converts leads that go onto the site, and then partnering that with GoHighLevel software. And so that way you can help better the business, streamline their business's operations, and just all around give them a better experience. Now, before starting my marketing agency, I had plenty of different businesses. I did YouTube automation, I had my own landscaping company, I did Amazon FBA. But this business model by far is the best one, hands down. Building monthly recurring revenue is unlike any other business model that I've tried, because you can be anywhere in the world, you can be on vacation, you can be at home, you can work for half the day and then take the other half off and still get paid monthly recurring payments from your clients. So this is why I like this business model the most, because you're not having to start over every single month. Not only do I run my own marketing agency, but I also teach other people how to start their own. And so this is my link right here. If you sign up using my Go High Level affiliate link, you are actually becoming my affiliate. So what that means is you get 2 Zoom calls with me per week. You get snapshots of different businesses. So let's say you sign on a roofer, there's a complete snapshot with a website template already on there, and you can actually go ahead and drop that into their account, and you're pretty much already good to go to serve that client. As mentioned earlier, one of the primary ways that I've been able to get clients for my agency is by cold calling. Cold calling is a most definite skill that I think that most people should learn if they are running a marketing agency or getting started, because cold calling, number one, it's free unless you're scraping a list, but you can easily go on Google Maps like we're showing right here and cold call these businesses. Now, what you want to look for whenever you're cold calling is looking for people with no website or a really bad looking website, and they have low Google reviews. Now, the reason why you want to look for those two things is because if they don't have a website, or if they have a really bad one, you can build a completely new one for them that looks 10 times better than the one that they currently have. And then also, if they have low Google reviews, that most likely means that they're not asking their customers for reviews, and that's what leads to them falling behind in the rankings in the Google Map pack like I'm showing right here. Now, you might want to move more efficiently with your cold calling, and that's completely understandable. Early on, I actually hired someone on Fiverr to go ahead and scrape a lead list for me, so that way I can just upload it to a spreadsheet and just keep going and going and going. Instead of hopping into Google Map Pack and having to individually scout all these different people, having a lead list is going to be 10 times better. And here's the exact guy that I use to go ahead and scrape my lead list. And what's really cool about him is that he actually can scrape the exact city and state that you want, whatever the case is, whether that's city or state, or you can even do multiple states, whatever the case is. And he can scrape Google My Business pages without a website. That's an absolute game changer for you, the cold caller, because whenever they don't have a Google My Business page, that's automatically a foot in the door, or at least it should be, depending on the business owner. And that way you can go ahead and pitch your services to them. So far, I've given you 2 different ways to reach out to these auto body shop clients. And as you can tell, cold calling is definitely going to play a big role. I cannot stress it enough. So getting these reps in, getting these dials in, I know a lot of people might be scared to cold call, but it's just a leap that you have to take to succeed in your agency. Now, there's other ways out there like paid ads, which I'm even doing right now. And then there's also email marketing, which I just covered in another video. So there's other ways out there, but cold calling is definitely the pioneer, in my opinion, because you have to think a lot of people might be too scared to cold call. So that gives you, the agency owner, room to go ahead and slip in. Now, this next way I'm about to show you is something that I think people don't really know about, but it's essentially a way to prompt Google to show you existing websites with a company such as Wix. So if you use this exact prompt, you can find auto body shops that have Wix websites. And the reason why it's good that they're with Wix is because most of the time their websites do not look that good. So there's one right there. If we open this one up, take a look at it. Again, this one's one of the better looking ones, but if we go to another one, I guarantee you we can see like an absolute terrible one that can definitely be of need of a new website. Like this one right here. This is just stock photos. You don't even know what they have going on. It says that this was built on Wix. So it's just all over the place. And I don't know if that guy's even a part of the shop. Maybe he is, but you can see on how poor quality that this site is. And these people are they're paying their deductible. They have different shops to go to. They're spending thousands of dollars where the insurance company is, and they just want to make sure that their car is going to the right place. Now, as mentioned earlier in the video, you do get direct access to my snapshots. So I already have one done here for auto body shops that you can go ahead and take advantage of if you become my affiliate. And if you close an auto body shop client, go ahead and import this snapshot, which we're about to go over, and you're already done. You already have all the automations done. You already have the website done. It's already good to go. So let's go ahead and show you exactly what you get in this snapshot. Now, here is a website that you get with it. It's a fully built website. You get service tab done. You get service area tabs done as well. You also get all the services that a typical body shop would include. Obviously, you can edit these websites to make it match exactly what the business does. This is just a template that you can use and you can edit. So scrolling down, your trusted auto body shop, and you can fill in the business name right here. You can drop in the logo, fill in the phone number, address, the hours, connect their social media platforms right here. You can even go ahead and link up this Book Now calendar with the calendar that's already placed in the sub account, which is really good in the snapshot. Scrolling down, nice pictures. You can easily swap these out with actual pictures that the business does. And then you can edit these numbers as well. 25 years experience, projects completed. So this is pretty much a done for you website. Now we are in the GoHighLevel software. And so just to show you the automations that you get and tied in with this snapshot, you get an appointment book calendar workflow. So if someone books in on the calendar, this workflow automatically triggers. It will send them appointment confirmations, appointment reminders, 12 hours before the appointment and 1 hour before the appointment as well. Appointment missed. All this good stuff is already imported into the sub account. Same thing with the invoice sent, Google review, automation workflow as well. You do get a full-on widget included in these snapshots where if they choose 4 through 5, it'll automatically send them the Google My Business page link. If they say anything below that, it will go ahead and send them to an additional feedback form. So it kind of prevents them from leaving bad reviews for this business. Now look, that was just everything mentioned for the snapshot. Now we can actually go over how they can use this software to their advantage and actually better their business using. So going back to GoHighLevel, you can see the launch pad right here. This is where the shop owner can download the mobile app and go ahead and get notified about anything that goes on in the business and just interact with leads on the go. This is where they can connect their Google My Business page, and that's actually where that connection comes into play with that Google review automation. Once they connect their Facebook, any Facebook DMs, if they come through, they can populate under the conversations tab, which is really nice. And then also the live AI chat widget, which we didn't go over that in the website sample, but it's already done for you, good to go. And now going back to the software, the conversations tab, this is where any contact forms will populate, any DMs that come through, all that good stuff populates right there. The calendar, so whenever someone gets booked in and they need to be serviced, this is their full-on booking calendar. This is where they can confirm the appointments, cancel the appointments, whatever the case is. This is the full-on booking calendar for them. The contacts tab, this is for anyone that fills out a contact form, anyone that comes through live AI chatbot, they'll automatically be imported, or the shop owner can go ahead and click add contact and fill out this information and then save them. The reason why it's really good to have a contact list is because one day if you sell the business or if you want to run a list reactivation campaign, let's say if you do paintless dent repair and business is dry for the time being, you can go ahead and select all of your clients and say 10% off all paintless dent repair jobs. We already went over the opportunities tab. This is the full-on pipeline for the business. And then the payments tab. So this is a full-on invoicing system that the shop can use and process their payments. So if there was Stripe, Square, PayPal, those different payment processors, is actually a whole list right here under the integrations tab that you can choose from. There's tons of them. The marketing tab, this is going to be where the shop can connect their Instagram, Facebook, Google My Business page, or you can connect them for them. It's whatever the case is. and you can actually schedule out, or they can, their social media content. So let's pretend like they have their Facebook, Google My Business page, and Instagram all connected. Once they do, they can go ahead and make social media posts on behalf of all three of those platforms and schedule them out for whenever they would like them to drop. So you can schedule out a whole month of content, 2 months of content, whatever the case is. All of that can be done just by doing it that quick. And like I said, any DMs that come through populate under the conversations tab. The sites tab, this is where the website's going to be at. Auto Body Shop website, you can see it there. You get 22 pages, like I said, from that snapshot. And then if you come down to the reputations tab, a lot of these are extra buttons right here that I have customized in my GoHighLevel. But as far as the public view that most people would have, or your clients would have on GoHighLevel, this is the last one. Reputation, so this is where they can see how many reviews they received, the positive versus negative reviews that come from it, and then also the invite. So if they have an invite goal, they can set that and they can actually see if they hit their goal or not. And you can actually have AI respond to the customer's reviews, which is really, really nice. So if they're using the Google review automation, they're absolutely crushing it, they're getting tons of reviews, you can set this up where it automatically will respond to the reviews that are left. And you can actually choose the tone. You can give it a different prompt if you want to sound a different way. And there's also these right here, professional, funny, all this good stuff. And it can even do it on Facebook or Google reviews as well. And so this is a huge, huge game changer for these auto body shops, because most of the time they don't have everything all in one. It's either website over here, invoicing over here, whatever the case is, but no, you're bringing it all together for them, and that's going to be a ton of value for that body shop. Now, like I said, the auto body niche is definitely something that I think is slept on. You can set them up with a nice looking website, a good system in place for their business where it can be an all-in-one software, an all-in-one solution for their body shop. Now, I really do think that you can close your next 5 auto body shop clients in, let's say, 30 days using this strategy by scraping these leads, by using that Wix prompt, Google prompt, and even just by going through the map pack. A lot of these people do not know what they're missing out on, and so you can kind of be the light in the dark for them and kind of pave the way for their online marketing. If you would like to see another snapshot video, maybe on a roofing industry, cleaning business company, comment it down below and I'll go ahead and make another one of these. But I really do think that you can close clients in this auto body industry by using the strategies that I've given in this video. And so best of luck. I'll see you in the next one.